So looking at number 56 on worksheet 3, or multiple choice 3, number 56. The height of a rectangular box is 10 inches. Its length increases at a rate of 2 inches per second. Maybe I need to draw a picture. So the height is 10. dl dt is 2. So it's not L is 2, its length is increasing 2 inches every second. Its width decreases. Uh-oh, there's an important word. So what is dw dt equal to? If we're decreasing, -4 because it's decreasing. When the length is 8, width is 8, find the rate at which the volume of the box is changing. So I want dv dt. Volume is length times width times height, which means I need a derivative of a product rule, but this isn't as bad as it looks because the height is always 10. So 10 LW. So dv dt then is, let's see, 10 times product rule. L times dw dt plus w times dl dt. And then we have all those things. It tells us L and W, and it tells us dl dt and dw dt. So we've got all the pieces to plug them in and see what we get. That section was called related rates. And you have related derivatives with all sorts of variables thrown in there. Let's back up and do 55, and we'll be done. Two cars are traveling along perpendicular roads, car A and car B. At noon, when car A reaches the intersection, car B is 90 miles away and moving toward the intersection. At 1 p.m., the rate in miles per hour at which the distance between the cars is changing. Ugh, goodness. Car traveling at 40, B is at 60. So car A reaches the intersection at noon, but an hour away, so I'm going to say that's 40 miles because he's gone 40 miles in an hour. At noon, when car A reaches the intersection, B is 90 miles away, moving toward the intersection. So an hour later, though, here's B. B is still moving toward the intersection, but now B is only 30 miles away because he was 90 miles away and he went 60 miles an hour for an hour, so he's 30 miles away. Find the distance, the rate their distance is changing. Oh, let's call it C. That way we can do A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
Wait, why isn't car A further? Oh, wait. Never mind. I misread.
It's okay. So dA dt is 40. dB dt, what's dB dt? That's the distance is 30. How fast is B going? 60, but he's going toward the intersection, so B is getting shorter. So dB dt is negative 60. Oh, and they did us a favor here. It's a 3, 4, 5 triangle. And I want dc dt. So what's the derivative of a squared with respect to t? Yeah, what's the derivative of a squared? Start there. Braden, what's the derivative of a squared?
2a.
But what's the derivative of a squared with respect to t? dA dt. Plus 2b dB dt equals 2c dc dt. And we know A, and we know B, and we know dA dt and dB dt, and we know C, so it's just a matter of plugging everybody in to find dc dt. Related rates. We'll hit those extensively in the free response questions as well. Alright, again, worksheet is due Monday, video is due Sunday night.